Tired of repetitive tasks eating up your valuable time? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of automation, putting Pabbly Connect and Microsoft Power Automate head-to-head to help you choose the perfect weapon in your quest for efficiency. First up, let's talk ease of use. Pabbly Connect shines with its straightforward, visual workflow builder. Drag and drop actions, map fields with ease, and get your automations up and running quickly, even without coding experience. Notice how clean and uncluttered the interface is, making it a breeze to navigate. Now, Power Automate offers a vast library of pre-built templates to get you started. However, the interface can feel a bit overwhelming, especially for beginners. You might find yourself needing some technical know-how to fully customize your flows. Let's address the elephant in the room. Pricing. Pabbly Connect often emerges as the more budget-friendly option, offering unlimited operations within their plans. Power Automate, while powerful, can become expensive as your usage grows, with costs potentially escalating based on the number of flows and connections. Integrations are crucial. Pabbly Connect boasts a wide range of integrations with popular apps and services. Plus, it offers built-in support for webhooks, allowing you to connect with virtually any application. Power Automate shines when it comes to seamlessly connecting with the Microsoft ecosystem, like Office 365, SharePoint, and Dynamics 365. However, integrating with non-Microsoft apps might require premium connectors and additional costs. So, which tool is right for you? Pabbly Connect is a great choice if you're looking for an affordable, user-friendly platform with unlimited operations. Power Automate is ideal if you're heavily invested in the Microsoft ecosystem and need deep integration with its services. Ultimately, the best automation tool depends on your specific needs and budget. Be sure to weigh the pros and cons of each platform before making your decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.